that shows the unbreakable bond between cats and humans. Let's watch. This kitten's found the most comfortable place in the world, and now he will never leave. Preparing for the Chasing Tails adventure in the future. No matter how hard you try to hide, cats can always feel you and find you.
Oh, you got me.
Know your priorities, parents. When cats want to cuddle with you, you gotta stop whatever you're doing and focus on them.
An olive bread just got extended.
An olive bread. Oh! I got all.
World-class massage services provided by cats. Please enjoy while you can. Each of their meow has a different meaning. This must mean I love you. Now cats know that their humans are actually magicians. Much more amazing than they, though. A car ride is so much more comfortable when there's such an adorable companion beside. Sharing is caring, especially food. Both the advantage and the drawback of working from home. Thanks to cats' curiosity, you can attract their attention by almost everything.
Cool one, man.
No matter how big cats are, they're always babies at heart who want to be cuddled. This cat's love language is quite violent.
That means.
降りる降りる。降りた。取ったやった。
Three cats, 3 times happier for Cat Dad. This daddy gotta make sure that his girl always look her best. Cat is trying to get all this knowledge so he could help his mom next time. Humans' food are cats, but cats' food are exclusively for cats. Cats want to know why you prefer scrolling through social media than playing with them. The neck massage that we all need. Who else's neck is breaking? Netflix and chill is the best when you're doing it with your cat. No words needed because they have understood each other so well.
It's a damn miracle of life. Oh, what do you do, Dad? What do you do?
Oh, hey, whoa.